Imagine a mountain slope, cold and still. Beneath the surface, a quiet force is transforming rock and shaping landscapes. This is freeze-thaw action, a powerful process at the heart of geological change. When temperatures drop below freezing, water seeps into tiny cracks in rocks. As water freezes, it expands, pushing the cracks wider. When the ice melts, water slips deeper, only to freeze and expand once more. This cycle repeats season after season, slowly prying apart solid stone. This process is known as weathering, the breakdown of rocks at the Earth's surface. Specifically, freeze-thaw action is a form of mechanical weathering, which doesn't alter the chemical composition of the rock, but breaks it into smaller pieces. Over time, these broken rock fragments gather at the base of slopes and cliffs. This loose, angular debris is known as scree. Picture a scree slope, heaps of jagged stones scattered below towering peaks, telling the story of countless freeze-thaw cycles. Taken together, processes like weathering and removal of broken material are called denudation. Denudation exposes fresh rock, fuels soil formation, and constantly reshapes the Earth's surface. Freeze-thaw action may sound subtle, but over thousands of years, it carves valleys, sculpts cliffs, and fills landscapes with scree. Each cracked boulder, each patch of scree, is a record of this ongoing dance between water and stone. Through freeze-thaw action, weathering, scree accumulation, and denudation, nature demonstrates patience and power in shaping the world we see today.